Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. So is equal to 42 divide 1 multiplied 2 is equal to 2. Okay. So is equal to now 42 divided by 2 is equal to 21. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. So PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority. Okay, so we have to solve it from left to right. So here is division and here is multiplication. Both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So first we have to solve this division. So is equal to 42. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 42 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this last fraction 1 by 7 is equal to 7 upon 1 multiply 14. Okay. Now 7 by 1 is equal to 7. So here we can remove this one. Okay. Now here is multiplication and here is multiplication. Both have equal priority. So we have to solve from left to right. So first we have to solve this multiplication. Okay. So now 42 multiply 7 is equal to 294. Okay. Multiply 14. So now 294 multiply 14 is equal to 4116. So the correct answer is 4116. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.